This car can go up to 200 miles per hour. And Wednesday, drivers showed off its speed on Congress Avenue at lunchtime, surrounded by thousands of people.
And everyone just wants to see the drivers and the cars tear up and down Congress Avenue.
Infiniti closed Congress between 7th and 11th Streets so they could display their cars and drivers' skills at their Zero to Infinity event.
This is where everyone's going to experience it. Everyone's walking around. Austin is such a great pedestrian city. It has such a cool vibe. You know, why not bring our actual race car to the people of Austin?
Sebastian Vettel and Daniel Ricciardo whipped around Vettel's 2011 F1 championship race car.
So this is our 2011 World Championship winning race car. It won 12 races in 2011.
Then they showed off the Infiniti Q50O Rogue, the only model in the nation.
More than anything, it's got a twin turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine and produces up to 560 horsepower, so it's massive.
You can see a lot of horsepower.
It's got a bit of horsepower, so it's good fun taking the passengers around.
Several F1 fans got the ride of their life as they sat shotgun with a race car professional.
When you're going straight, it's not that bad. But when he starts getting close to like these railings and starts doing donuts, that's when you're like, oh my goodness, it's kind of getting crazy.
Very excited to be back here, and yeah, it's nice to see already on a Wednesday a lot of fans.
And the fans weren't the only ones whose heartbeat started racing.
To drive on the let's say the street, but have it closed off for us is awesome.
The Zero to Infinity event kicks off F1 weekend in Austin when these same drivers will test their speed and skills again, this time at Circuit of the Americas.